Well, your car may have a rough idle, may have a hesitation, may be hunting for the idle, and it could even stall. It may be time for a throttle body clean, and it's really simple to do. All I'm going to do is take the air plenum off here, right on the intake here on the throttle body. Once I get that off, I can go ahead and pull it off. We can take a look at the actual throttle plates themselves. Two little hoses right here. Get them out of the way, and voila, there it is. Put that up out of the way so you guys can see. Wow, that thing's all gummed up. Now, it's more important more than ever now because of direct injection. And get you some throttle body cleaner here. Just go in here, go in there, spray it, wipe it down. You can see that stuff coming off. Make sure it's safe and read your manufacturer specification when you're cleaning the throttle body. Sometimes you don't want to go pushing on the throttle plates and open it because it's computer command drive. It drives right here, and you may have to go in and do an idle relearn or an idle procedure. Now, I said it's more important than ever because of direct injection. Well, think about that. We're actually directing the fuel right into the cylinders. We're not going over the intake or valves anymore to go in, so all that carbon's getting pushed up, back up that intake and gumming up that throttle body like that. So if you just clean your throttle body once in a while, you're going to make sure your car has a good idle and it's going to last for a long time.